Ode to the West Wind by P.B. Shelley. This is the analysis of Canto III. Thou who didst waken from his summer dreams, the blue Mediterranean, where he lay lulled by the coil of his crystalline streams. To begin this canto, the speaker describes the wind as having woken up the Mediterranean Sea from a whole summer of peaceful rest. The sea here is also personified as a male, beside a pumic isle in Bay's Bay, and saw in sleep old palaces and towers quivering within the waves' intenser day. With this stanza of Ode to the West Wind, the speaker simply implies that the sea was dreaming of the old days of palaces and towers, and that he was quivering at the memory of an intenser day, all overgrown with azure moss and flowers. So sweet the sense faints picturing them, thou for whose path the Atlantic's level pars. The speaker continues to describe the Mediterranean Sea's dreams as being of slower days when everything was overgrown with blue moss and flowers. Then he hints that something is about to change when he mentions to Atlantic's powers. He quivers at the memory of an intenser day. Cleave themselves into chasms, while far below the sea blooms and the oozy woods which wear the sapless foliage of the ocean know thy voice and suddenly grow grey with fear and tremble and despoil themselves. O hear. This stanza of Ode to the West Wind is in reference to the sea's reaction to the power of the wind. At the first sign of the strong wind, the sea seems to split into a deep fissure in the earth's surface and grow grey with fear as they tremble at the power of the wind. Again, this stanza reflects a psalm or a sacred song in the worship of a God so mighty that nature itself trembles in its sight.